Welcome to another episode of Jumpin In The Pot. I'm your host, Marcia, and today we are going back to the Thanksgiving menu. And on that menu, I'm going to make a recipe that my son invented. And this is what's going to be jumping in my pot: honey apple roasted pork shoulder. Let's get to it. These are the ingredients we will be using. In this cup here, I have oregano, thyme, and rosemary. Turmeric, minced garlic, onion powder and garlic powder, Worcestershire sauce, sage, salt, black pepper, apple cider vinegar, apple cider, and of course, the pork shoulder. Oh yes, and I forgot, red pepper flakes also goes in it. This is what we're going to do before we put the marinade on the pork. We got to store it so that all the seasoning can come into the pork, down to the bone. Now that I've finished scoring the meat, I'm going to massage the seasoning on. The garlic powder and onion powder, the turmeric, the sage, the oregano, the thyme. I'm going to rub these in first. Make sure it gets all through the pork. Now we're going to add some black pepper. Now I just added the garlic, the minced garlic. And now we're going to add the red pepper flakes. And we rub this in. And now we're going to add in the liquids. Apple cider, apple cider vinegar. Oh yes, and now the Worcestershire sauce. And we're going to rub all of this in, turn it over, and press it down. And then we're going to cover it up and put it in the refrigerator for 24 hours. You can it can marinate for 24 to 48 hours, but it must be in there for 24 hours. As always, the ingredients will be in the description box below. And I'll see you in 24 hours when this has all marinated. Hello, everyone. It's the next day. Remember, yesterday I showed you how to marinate the pork shoulder. And now I'm going to make the glaze for the pork shoulder. And these are the ingredients we will be using: dark brown sugar, black pepper, turmeric, low sodium soy sauce, honey, Worcestershire sauce, minced garlic, diced onions, lemon juice, red pepper flakes, and apple cider. I have a sauce pot here, and I'm going to turn it to medium low. Oh, yes, and I have a tablespoon of oil in this pot. That is because we're going to saute the onions and garlic together. Gonna let this saute up for about 2 to 3 minutes. Well, the onions and garlic has sauteed up enough, and now it's time to add the rest of the ingredients: the apple cider, water, brown sugar, Worcestershire sauce, soy sauce, lemon juice, red pepper flakes, black pepper, turmeric, and the honey. Now we're going to let this cook until it turns to a glaze. As always, the ingredients will be in the description box below. Now we stir all this up. I've put the pork shoulder into the roasting pan with some of the marinade, and now I'm going to pop it in the oven and cook it for about 2 hours. Let's check the glaze. See if it's ready to put on to the pork shoulder. Yes, it's cooked enough. I'm going to turn it off, and it'll cook the rest of the way on the pork. I've taken the pork shoulder out of the oven, and now it's time to add the glaze. I had it cooking for an hour. Now we're going to put this back in the oven and let it cook for another hour or until it's done. There you have it: honey apple roasted pork shoulder. Enjoy. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and X. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye.